Oh, come on, man! You was bragging on that Snap-on shit and it broke. And you shoot that Snap-on?
It's Snap-on. Right here. Snap-on, right there. Right here on the handle, right here. That say Snap-on right there.
Oh, yeah, it is Snap-on.
Yeah.
Hold up. Let me go the other way. Why you gotta go this way? You can't break. You can't break the other head. Wait, that's the wrong.
Told you.
That wasn't even a chance.
I ain't put him there.
I mean, there go that dead left stand. That's it. You ain't telling me nothing. That's it. Oh no!
Damn.
Come on, man. There goes your Reggie. Come on, man. Yeah, see this? Oh man, he broke his Snap-on, broke his gear wrench. I'm thinking about going up to Harbor Freight and get the Icon half-inch breaker bar. Yeah, that's guaranteed to get it off. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, y'all see my current situation. Yes, after hours, after work, guys, I gotta find a breaker bar. I'm giving Snap-on a try. I give a Matco a try. I giving gear wrench a try. None of them seem to work. So y'all know what I'm about to do? Yeah, Harbor Freight. We're going for the big Icon. All right. I hope they on sale because I need one right freaking now. Let's get it. All right. Where the hell is the Icon power tools? Yes. Enough of this. I had just about enough of Snap-on and Matco. All right. No, not Pittsburgh. I need Icon. Icon is the professional version for freaking Harbor Freight. Yeah, it's Icon, but breaker bar. Here we go. Okay, I'm in the right area now. All right, now this is the breaker bar. These are the breaker bars. All right, but see, because this stick out, hang out too far like that, that's easily accessible to breaking. So I want to go with something where this head is not as out like that. So that means I'm gonna have to go, yeah, down to this end. Okay, we're gonna go with a ratchet type, but I don't need this handle. We're gonna go with this one. Yeah, that head, yeah, you see that head is not all the way in there. Guys, this gonna have to work. Like I say, I done given everybody a try. And it's long enough, I'm gonna stick a Cheeto bar on the end of this. We're gonna get them damn lug nuts out, guys. Icon, please don't let me down. Icon, if you pull this off, you're the champ, all right? Like I said, I've already given Snap-on and Matco and Gear Wrench a try. Man, Icon, I'm counting on you, baby. Icon, you could do this. All right, guys, I'm about to get this Icon. Y'all hold tight. I'll see y'all back at the shop in the morning. We're getting them damn lug nuts off. Let's get it. Fresh new day, fresh new week. It's still here. We got a plan. We up to plan G now. We already exhausted plan B, C, D, and E. All right, yeah, heated up, blah, blah, this. We went so far as to go to freaking Harbor Freight. We tried the 1,800 foot-pound torque. Look at the head on that. 3/4. Wrong. So, of course, this one do it, but... Oh, you got that too? So you went and bought two of them?
I bought this one first.
That's air too.
Yeah, no.
What's this head? That's a 3/4?
No, that's a half inch. I mean, it's an inch. It's
Half inch. It's either half inch or...
It's 15. That was more than that.
What's the specs on this? 1,500, so this is 18.
Yeah, I know. I said that one wasn't known.
So this didn't get it and this didn't get
That's
it.
like a 3/4 to you?
Yes.
Yes, it's a 3/4. Yeah, one is gonna be this big old one that you take.
That is not a 3/4.
That is a 3/4.
Look at
What
it.
come out the half inch?
Look, half inch is this. That's the
Right.
next step up. Then there's one bigger. One
Yeah,
bigger.
one bigger, yeah. But I don't have one bigger.
No, what I'm saying is, this is a
Half. That's
a
half.
half. This is a
3/4.
1
No, 3/4. Then a 1 inch is the next.
Okay, you can solve this drama. Like what? Grab one of these. Now what's that say? A half inch to 3/8. Which means
3/4.
this is half inch,
Yeah.
right? And this is 3/4.
3/4.
So if the head on that is the same size as that, it's 3/4.
Exactly. Thank you.
I mean, a little common sense kick
No,
in.
the big one.
No, it's bigger.
Bigger.
No, this.
No,
Press
right.
up.
This is the same as
That's
that.
That.
So that's 3/4.
3/4. That's what it says.
Look on that. It said half to
Yeah,
3/4.
exactly.
Well, then, I still don't have a socket for it.
So we back to square one. Well, you arguing about the wrong thing then. Stop.
I'm just saying,
This is a half inch. The head on
I
this
mean,
is
it's a
a,
1 inch.
No, it ain't. Let me see. There you go. That's the one.
Golly.
Damn, that's semi truck right there. You pulling semi truck.
That's what they use in a racing.
No, this. Oh, that one.
That one work? Oh, you just don't have an
I
adapter.
don't have a socket for
Holy crap, dude! You gonna rip stuff off with that?
This badass right here though.
Yeah, but that's for
See, the semi truck. If we can get something to get that on there, that'll rip it off. That's a badass.
this gonna rip. This
gonna break.
Yeah, that's
This-
gonna.
15. This is 18. This is more strong. This is stronger than this.
Yeah, this is badass. I'm telling you. We gotta get.
Then
a
we
socket.
can brag on Earthquake and put Harbor
We
Freight
need
on
a
the map.
socket for this.
Well, go get one. Go to Northern. All right, guys. The drama continues. They don't know what they're gonna
I
do.
need to get a 1/4 inch.
Oh, he just went and got some old tubes to break. That's all. What you got?
First of all, you can't use them type.
Why? Oh no, you can't use a ratchet. You need a breaker bar. That's a breaker bar.
No, that's a ratchet breaker bar.
Well, that's the same. You losing strength by it because it ratchet. Oh, you talking about swivel then?
There you go.
Yeah, you do take away. You do take away. Ah, this was the plan. Y'all ever seen this? You hit on this and it jerks. That was worth a shot, but I'm assuming it didn't work. Okay, guys, anybody got any suggestions? Because we have destroyed Matco. Who the hell is this? Gear wrench. That's another Matco, but because it was a flex head, we didn't. Let's take away the strength. We didn't do that one, and we didn't do this one because they obviously snap in no matter who name on it. All right, the one they haven't snapped. And y'all remember the big Snap-on one that's meant for this? We have Snap-on breaker bar over here that's actually meant for this type work, and it still snap. Harbor Freight to get a Icon breaker bar. If Harbor Freight pull this off, it's all in the strength of the head. All right, so as you pry and know, this bar not gonna break. So everything is tied to this. The strength of this is what matters. In this case, because it was flex, yeah, that was a bad idea on using that. So, but this wasn't a bad idea. Why didn't this work? You take your hammer, bam, 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 and the motion would turn it. But no.
You could have been moved it. You asked to move the first time.
Man, who needs a hand? You hit like a bitch, man. Hit it. Gear wrench ain't got nothing on Icon.
Shit.
That's this gear wrench. Come on, man. You up too high. Oh, this is a ratchet? Oh, my goodness. No, it's nothing funny. It's just.
He on here videoing shit like
What is it? Who make that? Yo. Alright, y'all got to stay tuned. This drama getting out of control. Y'all hold tight. Oh, see that? Icon, baby. Snap. Icon. Harbor Freight rules, man. That's what you mean. Dude, this is Icon. I told you. Didn't I tell you? I told you, Icon. Yeah, gear wrench and Snap-on ain't got nothing on Icon. I'm getting all my tools from Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight came out.
Icon.
I'm gonna get me a new toolbox.
They got some badass toolbox. Look good.
Nice ass toolbox. I was taking pictures in there.
Break out the Icon again. Come on, Icon. Oh, Icon, baby! What I tell you? Icon, baby! The hell with Snap-on, the hell with Matco, and the hell with gear wrench.
Boy, I got it. Hey, look, tell bro, we got
Icon.
all of them. we got Mac.
Harbor Freight rules.
Boy, please.
They do rules. Look, we got one more. I mean, we got one more. Alrighty, we got one more. Can Icon give us 3 for 3? Yeah.
got that side on.
This one.
3 for 3.
Give his commentary.
3 for 3 with the icon. We're gonna see can we do. Icon saved the day. All that other garbage, all them other tools, gear wrench, Matco, Snap-On, none of it matters. We went with icon. Oh, icon, baby, icon rules! Icon is the shit!
Come forward.
Icon, baby!
Shut up,
What do you mean,
JG.
shut up, man? Can we go 5 for 5 with the icon? Do I hear 5 for 5? Huh? Huh? I hear 5 for 5! Come on, man! Go! 5 for motherfucking 5! Icon, but I done seen enough. I'm out of here. Icon, I'm going to Harbor Freight right now. Give me a whole shitload of icon tools. All this old Snap-on garbage, I've seen enough. Look at this. All this is garbage. All he had to do was go to Harbor Freight and get a freaking tool. All right, I'm done. I done seen enough. I'm convinced. Harbor Freight is the best. Icon rules. I gotta go. Y'all see what Icon allowed us to do? Remember we couldn't get the damn wheels off to get the axles out to take the transmission out. Now that we got the wheels off, gotta start somewhere, right? Now that we got the wheels off, here you have it, guys. All right, this ain't Mopar, so whatever they put on here wasn't up to par. All right, this look like I see some orange on this thing. I think this is a Derman. Is this Derman? Derman? Yeah, look like a Derman transmission. All right, well anyway, it's no good. Okay, yeah, we don't do this Derman stuff around here, but I don't know who the hell put these down. Let me show y'all something. So it's these kind. So what was happening is we was heating the rotor up right here with chances of hoping, you know, the heat would get in here and loosen that up. So that way when we put the big icon breaker bar on it, snap. Yeah, icon rules, baby. All I know is we glad we could finally get this out, guys. These not that bad at all. All right, now what we going in with? Definitely not no more of this Derman stuff. Let me show y'all what we going in with. Only the best for my customers, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! Mopar, baby. Mopar rules. All right, none of this would be possible without the icon breaker bar. Yeah, it's been a crazy freaking 2 days. Yeah, Mopar, baby. Mopar, no car. All right. And not this. This is garbage. Okay. Yeah, this is some garbage too. All right, Snap-on. Yes, I'm sorry, Snap-on garbage. And the winner is, ta-da! Icon. Icon stood the test of time. Icon allowed us to finish this job. Thank you, Icon. Harbor Freight. I love it. I will throw this other crap away.